Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. If you're new here, we do EDC gear and knife review videos. Occasionally get out in the field and do some camping and that kind of stuff. If you like that kind of content, please consider subscribing to the channel. All right, so I'm excited today because I have a package in front of me. I've already opened it to make it quicker. This is the prize pack that I got from Barbie, EDC Girl. If you don't know her channel, I'll link it in the description. Definitely go check her out. She puts out some fun content, does some great live streams with Rolf Robertson. And man, I have a lot of fun with them, their channel. So go check them out. But this was they had a big giveaway for she had a big giveaway for her 1000th sub. And I happened to be one of the winners. So let's unbox what we won. Oh, first thing we're gonna do is reach in there. Oh, we've got a swag pack. Let's see what's in the swag pack. All right. We've got stickers and something else. Oh. DFK keychain. That's kind of cool. And that feels like leather. Yeah. Nice. I like that. We've got a Kelly's Paracord sticker. A Blade HQ nice sticker. Smoky Mountain Knife Works sticker. A Kids Band-Aid. I'm a big kid at heart, so I love it. A Civivi 10th anniversary sticker. A Rips Garage Tech sticker. Nice. Hey, I know that guy. Look at that sticker. They sent me my own sticker. Awesome. So we have an old school Adventure 50 sticker. We've got a Pocket Razors sticker. And we got a Crow's Blade and Woodworks. And go check out Ron Crow's channel. He's got a great channel as well. Friend of mine. Winner of the first Adventure 50 giveaway. So if anybody asks you who won it, now you know. All right, let's see what else we got. Oh, we've got, okay. This is an accessory pack that goes with what I won. So we'll get to that in a second. Oh, cool bracelet. I like that. Shark's tooth bracelet. That's kind of cool. Might have to take the paracord bracelet off and put that on. I like it. What else do we have? Ooh. All right. That's really cool. Let's get this out of here right away. This is a pry bar. And it's a Punisher pry bar. And as you can see down here in the corner, I've got my little fidget toy. And it's the Punisher. I love everything Punisher. So this is totally awesome. Thank you, Barbie. This is great. Little multi-tool pry bar. I like that a lot. Put that right there. And what else do we have? Oh, and we have the card, because it was the numbers game. And I came closest. The number was 186, and I think I had 183. So, or 283, I think it was. But yes, I wound up winning with that. And in here we have a North Mountain Blade Chop 2. And I've talked about this before. In fact, last week in my live stream, talking about my favorite knives in my collection, the North Mountain Blade Chop 2 was in there. But this is a different one. This one is the Ultim edition and has a nice pouch. When I got mine, they weren't giving pouches. I actually got a hard shell case with mine. But I was on board very early with them. Look at that. That's a SLD Magic blade steel, which is a Japanese kind of Damascus layered, really great blade steel. And look at that, man. The action on that is amazing. Super fidgety with a button lock. I like the frag pattern on the Ultim. Really grippy. And this knife is it's one of the best knives out there. Look at that brass backspacer. Not reversible clip and not a deep carry clip, but I can live with it because this knife is so damn good. So we'll put that off to the side. In there, they give you a filler tab, which I don't know why, unless if you're planning just to take the the clip off because it's not reversible, so I don't know why they would do that. They give you a cleaning cloth and a thank you card. Oh, they actually list who the designer was, and that's Boughton, I guess, is how you pronounce that. That's kind of cool. I never saw that in the other one, so that's cool. Cleaning cloth, and then they give you this big accessory kit. Okay, let's pull the accessory kit out. And there were a couple of things that were thrown into the accessory kit. So this is a USB light. This does not come with a knife, but this was thrown in. Thank you, Barbie. Those are actually those come in really handy. Then a crystal of some sort. I have to look up what kind that is. That's kind of cool. And a little Buddy Jesus. So, Buddy Jesus. Now, what comes in here with North Mountain Blade is this envelope, and it's got all your information in here. And another cleaning cloth. So they give you two of them. Two for the price of one. That's really cool. You get Band-Aids. And of course you get a little instruction manual, which we'll put those back in here. You never have enough cleaning cloths. I use them for everything beside knives. Cleaning my glasses because they are microfiber. They come in really handy. So now just move that off to the side. Put that out here. Again, that's just a beautiful knife. But what they give you in there is they give you a lanyard. They give you these Q-tips for cleaning the knife and lubricating because they give you knife oil with it. So, and that is also for treating the blade as well. I don't know if it's food safe or not, but we'll find out. I already have this oil because, again, this is my second North Mountain shop blade. Whoops, I hit the camera there. So they give you that nice accessory pack. Oh, but thank you, Barbie. I appreciate this, and I'm glad we support each other's channel. And that's what I won in this giveaway. So again, it's the North Mountain Blades Chop 2 in Altum and all the other accessories. All right, folks, if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And as I always say, until we meet again, keep your blade sharp.